Hi again, it seems you are still alive. That's impressive. The last guy didn't last that long. A new Roomba is active tonight. His name is Toy Roomba. If you look in camera 3, you will see him. He will make his way to camera 1, and when you see him there, wear your mask until you hear a metal clanking sound. Also, here is a fun fact for you. Toy Roomba was actually made because all the kids kept trying to play with Roomba, so we made a much more aesthetically pleasing toy version of him so the kids won't annoy Roomba. That's it for now. Have a good night.